sugar snap, pearl couscous and grated vegetable salad. Prepare the ingredients. Bring a pot of water to the boil. Add 1½ cups of Israeli pearl couscous and cook for about 4 minutes until al dente. Then strain, rinse under cold water and set aside. While the couscous is cooling, top and tail 3 large handfuls of sugar snaps, grate 1 zucchini, grate 1 carrot, grate 1 beetroot. Finally chop 1 handful each of mint and parsley. In a jar, place a tablespoon of grain mustard. Add 1 tablespoon of tahini. Add 1 tablespoon of agave or maple syrup. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Add a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Cover with a lid and shake. To serve, place the Israeli couscous onto a platter. Sprinkle with the raw sugar snaps. Add strips of carrot. Add strips of zucchini. Add strips of beetroot. Add strips of zucchini. Place strips of carrot. Drizzle over the dressing. Sprinkle over some parsley and mint and serve.